Hi Dolly friends! Today we have 3 new dolls to unbox and they are from Jizhi, so let's take a look at them. Alright, so let's go ahead. We'll open up doll number 1 and we will see who we have inside. Oh, look at her! She is so cute! Let me go ahead and I'll get her out of the box so we can get a better look at her. Alright, so she comes with a bottle and she comes with a birth certificate. And she comes with a bag of accessories, just like a regular bag of accessories. There's a bowl, a brush, a rattle. Let's go ahead and get our baby out. She also comes with a magnetic pacifier. Oh my goodness, she is really cute. Look at her, and I love her outfit. Isn't she so beautiful? Look at her. So let's go ahead, we'll take off her hat. And her hair is painted on really nicely. She is gorgeous. Aww. And you can see her face up close. You can see her eyebrows and her little hands. She's got blushing and veining all over. I could see it everywhere. And her little tiny feet. Aww. And she does have a little bit of weight in her body. Her body is cloth, but her limbs are like a soft vinyl. And you can pose her. She is posable, so you can move her limbs. But I really do like her. So let's take a look at the next doll. Just stay tuned. Alright, so on the doll number 2, go ahead, we'll open this baby up. Oh my goodness! Look at this baby! He is so cute and I love his outfit. He's absolutely adorable. So let's go ahead, we will get him out and we'll get a better look at him. Alright, and the puppy just wants to say hello. Hello, friends. Thank you so much for watching. We like babies. Yes, we do. Alright. And he comes with a bottle and a birth certificate and also a magnetic pacifier. His is blue, though. But here is a look at our sweet little boy. I do have to take his net off of his face, still. But we'll go ahead. We'll get that off. Oh, and his hair. His hair is rooted really nicely. Like, really nice. Like, I mean, it's like super thick. I don't see any bald spots whatsoever. And it is rooted. He is a full vinyl baby. So he's completely posable. You can move him very easily. His arms and his legs. You could put him in a laying down or sitting position, whatever you want to do. And we'll try out his little binky. Oh, didn't want to stay that first time. There we go. There's his little binky on him. He does have blushing all over. I don't see any veins on him though, but he does have a blushing all over his body. And look at his little adorable feet and his little hands. He is so cute, and he is also anatomically correct, but they didn't put a diaper on him. So the only thing that would have been better is if they did put a diaper on this baby. But I will go ahead and we will set him aside, and then we'll move on to doll number 3. Alright, so on to doll number 3. We're going to go ahead and we will open her up. This is a baby girl, and she is a Maddie. Isn't she cute? She's really cute. She's just tiny though. But we'll go ahead, we will get her out. Alright, so here's our little Maddie. She's really cute. She comes with a birth certificate and a bag of accessories and the magnetic pacifier, which she already has in her mouth. Her hair is really super pretty, and again, another great rooting job. It's done fantastic. I don't see any areas where her hair looks really thin. And she has beautiful blonde curls, which are very soft. Really super adorable. And I will take that off of her mouth so you can get a good look at her face. Her eyes are blue. They're very beautiful. And she has really nice details on her skin. I could see a lot of modeling and veining on her and blushing all over. She is really, really, really good quality. Her body is also cloth. She does have a little bit of weight to her as well, but her limbs are posable in case you're wondering about that. But I think she is so pretty. So let's go ahead. We will check the doll's weights. Just stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are back and we're going to check the weights of the dolls. Oh my goodness, my dog, sorry, he got in the video. Do you want to be a star? Do you want to be a star? Say hello. Hello. But let's go ahead and we will try again for the weights. And my dog already walked on the scale himself. I apologize for the dog nose in the camera. But we will go ahead and we'll see how much these ones weigh. Not you, Boomer! Get off the scale! Alright, so let's check her. So the little girl in pink, she's 1 pound 11 ounces. The very first one that we did. That's her. Alright. And doll number 2. He's really cute. I like him. He got the precious little face. And he's a good sized baby and he's all vinyl. He weighs 2 pounds. 2 pounds even. Alright. Then we move on to little Maddie girl. That's her right there. And she weighs 1 pound 13 ounces. Alright guys, so we got all 3 of our brand new babies here. You tell me which one you like the most. I really like this one right here. I think she's my favorite out of all 3. I just think she's so pretty. And she got the cutest little face. But all 3 of them are absolutely adorable. And I will put their links below in the video description. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more fun videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!